WeChat on iPhone India. Troubleshooting App Store access. So the basic official installation path start with the global App Store. Search for WeChat by Tencent directly in your existing App Store. The global version works for most users outside China. Avoid third-party stores and keep your primary Apple ID. Switching app store regions affect subscription payment history. Use region switching only at last resort. When the App Store blocks you. So the secondary Apple ID approach, if you need the China-specific version of WeChat, create a secondary Apple ID linked to the China App Store. This preserves your primary account while unblocking regional features. Pro tip, install WeChat under the ID you plan to keep as the primary for that app. Mixing IDs complicates future updates. Chinese phone number required for registration. Local payment method, Chinese Bank or Alipay. Physical address, a valid address in the region. Verification payment, the real barrier. Real name verification. WeChat requires government issued ID to unlock payment features. Complete this before you travel. Financial friction. Foreign bank card bind inconsistently. Prioritize a Chinese bank account or preload your WeChat wallet balance. Always have a backup. Carry a Union Pay link card or Alipay as a fallback for taxes, delivers, and essential services. Your action checklist for success. Prioritize trust. Download only from official source. Never use unofficial sites or risky workarounds that compromise security. Prepare early. Complete around verification and payment setup before your trip or critical need arises, not during it. Stay updated, keep your app version current to access the latest security patches and avoid server side access errors. So there you guys, hope you guys video. Share if you have no question, consider sub with the question below guys. Hope to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.